The Lamborghini Aventador is one of the most beautiful cars of all time. In today's video, I created body kits for the base model in an attempt to make them even more beautiful and sporty. Here are the most stunning designs. The first version received a new and large air intake with carbon fiber paint, extending this element all the way to the side skirt. The rear air intake also got a carbon fiber painted border. In a bit of a departure from the usual, I added a design element to the turn signal as well. For the next design, I was much bolder. I kept the previous air intake but made more alterations to the bumper. The wing of the bumper turned out really nice. The side skirt got significantly longer, and the rear air intake received a full carbon fiber paint job. The side skirt, rear air intake, and the design in front of the wheel are truly gorgeous. The red wheel rim complements this design well. In this version, I used a slightly subdued front bumper design and expanded on the rear air intake design from the previous version. Finally, it became a much more subdued but refined design than the previous one. This is a more restrained version. I altered the previous bumper design. This time it turned completely black. What I really liked was the small wing in front of the rear wheel. This version is much more aggressive. The front bumper received a much bolder design, which looks really good. Not only did the front bumper get a small wing, but the side skirt did as well. The red painted wheel rims are very stylish. I've always been a big fan of Mansory design, so I created a similar one. It got the different hood paint often used by Mansory, and a very aggressive bumper and a large wing on top. The different paint job looks good on the side skirt and the rear of the car. While I switched the wheel rim to a traditional design, I kept the red design stripe seen on the previous car. All in all, this is a truly gorgeous design. This was the last Lamborghini Aventador body kit design today. Write in the comments which one you like the best and what kind of video you would like to see next on the channel. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.